Hi, how are you?
What are we doing today?
Today, our mission is to insulate the roof and then put the headliner back in and reattach the air horn pull chain.
Yeah,
we got new chain for this with a lovely tube that it'll go in, and we're going to try and wire the PA300 in.
And we have a low tire. New used tires in the front.
Get that fixed up right quick.
The old AL11s.
The wire goes through it.
Oh, just cut that stuff.
There's a hornet's nest.
Mike, I think you can just tear that insulation. Oh, that's city. Yep, that's city wiring right there.
Do you need to look at any of that stuff before we put the insulation back in?
Wiring wise?
Well, like the light bar and everything.
No, not really. I mean, I'm trying to think for what. Easy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Similar now. Okay, nice.
Okay, so next step. Acetone. Clean up the ceiling. Okay. Oh, the vent's open. Did you open that?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good. Alright, let's see here. How far over do we want? We'll just go there.
I think you can go forward a little bit more, maybe to that.
Well, we got to be able to roll her, and if you can't hold her, you know, because I can't get this off. There's like nuts and whatnot up there that I don't want to F with.
Right.
We're gonna start right here.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
That looks good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so indent that. Don't they know I'm on YouTube right now?
I got a pretty good hang of it. You'll notice the cuts around the bolts here. I mean, just perfectly notched out, as if I've been doing it for years. So, check back with you in a little bit.
All right, so we've got the old Siren out. Figured out the wiring diagram. It's somewhere on my phone, which is somewhere. And I've always wanted to try it. Should we try it?
I think we should.
All right, you ready? I'm gonna get my hand warmed up. Here we go. PA300, new used. Works, we had it running, but neighbor's sleeping, so can't really let her rip right now, but damn. Looks good, brother. Looking good. While Mike was absolutely destroying that in a good way, Daryl's in the back, making himself look busy. Got a bunch of old communications cables out of here. A lot of Motorola heads. There was 2 radio heads in this rig. One in the front, right down here. And surprisingly enough, one in the back, right back here. In the other storage box, you can see the outline of it right there. So we've got one more antenna cable that needs to get pulled. But the one cable was from here to to the front of the cab. Looking good, Daryl?
Yep.
You need the you need the lineman, don't you?
I don't think we have to worry about that coming out.
Let me just get them for you.
Can you bend it closed, Gilmore?
Yeah. Daddy's got you.
It doesn't have to go much. That's good.
To Daryl?
Yeah.
Like,
It goes down to Daryl?
Yeah, because I got to get past the steering wheel.
There. Oh, you
Okay, there we go. That's all. Front first?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. 2/3 of the headliner is in. We still need to get that part of the headliner in. Beautiful PA300. New chain with the horns. Even found the accountability tag to one of our retired members. So yeah, she's off to Mike's house to be cleaned up since he's got the next week off before the Walnut Port parade. Hopefully this video goes out before the parade, and then we're going to take a video of her at her first parade. So thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.
Yep.